Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips, and my mathematical guru sent me some plans and actually two different ways to do it. I haven't really looked at it and figured out exactly what's going on with this one, but he made two shapes. So we're going to blend them 5 times and we get that. Now, this is the only really part I have a problem with is trying to get a line that's going to intersect, from there to there. There's a macro that'll make that line longer, but there's really no way to, get it right perfectly on the edge and up top. So what I'm going to do is maybe my mathematical guru will chime in. If I do hold down the control button, it'll make that line perpendicular. And then I guess the best thing to do would be to take a 2-point line and just join it up here close. And you can see we're not close enough. So we're going to have to see those lines are joined. So we're going to go and take the shape tool and actually right click, break that apart, take them both and go up to object and break the curve apart, because Corel will make those lines into one line. So we're going to take our shape tool and grab the blue one if we can. Well, let's just get that line out of the way. But holding down the control button, it'll make it taller and still be in line. Then what we can do, go back to the pick tool, grab this line, double click on the rotation, and if we grab it near about where the line is going to hit here, we can rotate it and have it snap to there. So then we can Control D and make a duplicate and mirror that guy and put this one with the 4-point cross right there to that node, and it should work. Now we can go through and there's our part. So we need to just think about, we don't need, okay, and you need to go and break the blend apart. So we're going to go to object and break the blend apart. Then you can start deleting lines and just think about, well, I don't need those lines because that way it makes the top triangle. I do need that line, but I don't need any of the interior lines. I don't need that line or that line. And I do not really need that line anymore. I don't need that line anymore. And just kind of do it. And I've got the advantage because I've got one sitting right here in front of me, and just start deleting lines and you can kind of see what it's going to look like. You just need an odd amount. So this is going to be a blank line. So we need to delete that one and go through and delete these center ones. Pretty cool way to draw it. I like it. I'm going to have to try to figure out that other one, or maybe my mentor will sign in and let me know. So this is a blank line. So this line needs to be all cut out. And this would be a good case. You could take the Alt key and just swipe through there. And we need that line. We don't need that line or that line or that line or that line. We don't need this line or this line. That's pretty cool, my friend. Now, we've got a really steep part there, and this might even look better spaced out like that. Hopefully that we don't have any leaks, but in case we do, because I was moving those lines, we could take our rectangle tool and build a rectangle around it, get the Smart Fill tool, unless in the original drawing these were orange and the other was black. So we'll just get black. Wow, pretty nice. And then like these, if you're gonna shade them in, there's 2 different ways over there. I might make a part 2 on this because you've got this line here, and we don't need to take away the black line in the previous video. But if you're gonna leave this line, you need to make these a little bit different colors. So stay tuned for part 2, and we'll shade that side that's going to kind of look like a shadow. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.